There aren't many solutions to suggest to fix PS5 error, CE-100095-5, other than ridding of that game or app which causes the problem. That is the most likely solution if none of the following fixes works for you, but hopefully, you won't have to do that. Method 1. Power cycle your PS5 console and router. The very first step to fix any PS5 systematic issue is to restart it. We strongly recommend that you first turn off your PS5, unplug it from power source, and leave it disconnected from power for at least 3 minutes. We also recommend that you remove any peripheral connected to it while it's turned off. On the other hand, do the same with your router. Turn it off for 3 minutes, then turn it on before your PS5. Once you have turned off your internet router, connect the PS5 to power and the other peripherals, then turn it on. Check now that game or app which generated error, CE-100095-5, has this solved the issue or not? If not, let's try next methods. Method 2. Update PS5 system software and your game or app. If there's any available update for your PS5 system software or for your game or app that causes PS5 error, CE-100095-5, then it's important to implement them in case there's an incompatibility issue that this update is released to fix. Method 3. Rebuild PS5 database. Turn off your console by pressing the power button. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Once the system is off, press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep. One beep will sound when you first press, and another 7 seconds later. Connect the controller with the USB cable. Press the PlayStation button on the controller. Select Rebuild Database. Method 4. Don't use an external HDD. When the PS5 external HDD doesn't work properly, data corruption and performance issues might occur. So, it's always recommended to install your game on the internal storage of PS5 when you have any performance issue with your games/apps on PS5 running on an external HDD. Method 5. Delete the game or app and reinstall it. On the PS5 home screen, select the game or application which you want to delete. Press the Options button and select Delete from the list. Then select OK to confirm. Now go to Game Library on the home screen. Find the game which you want to reinstall, select it, and choose the download option.